Hello everyone, this is Neha Sharma here and we are doing advertisement writing. And dear students, this is going to be the third video of advertisement writing. In the previous videos, we have done many advertisement writings, the format we learned, what is the different style and what are the limits we have to follow and the word limits and how to describe the things, okay, which we want to give in advertisement. So dear students, as you know, we are doing classified advertisements. So let's see once again that what are classified advertisements. So these classified advertisements are the advertisements which are generally published in the newspapers and the magazines when we want to sell or purchase anything, or when we are looking for any job, or we are selling, where many are there, matrimonials are there, change of name are there. So on, especially on the Sunday's newspaper, you can see these advertisement column, classified columns especially. So I have actually showed that particular, the real column which is there in the newspapers in the first part of the video. So if you have by chance missed that, so please watch that video, because that introduction video is very important for you. So today let's see, we have to do the educational type of advertisements which are in the classified columns. So please be ready with your notebook and your pens in your hand so that you can write down the formats and the samples of the advertisements. So dear kids, here on your screen you can see the format of the educational type of advertisements which are necessary for educational institutes. So let's see, write the name of the institution, that is very important, but before that what the advertisement is for, like admission open or some entrance exam, okay, so that heading is required, but within that, after that you have to write the name of the institution, past record of the institution, courses offered and the duration of the course, eligibility area and facilities provided in fee structure, information on the scholarship if available, the last date of to apply, etc., or contact number and address. So dear students, here I want to tell you one word, that is eligibility. So somewhere you can see the spelling which is starting with I also, right? So when the spelling is getting started with eligible, right, I-double-L-I is there, so that is eligible. So that is what that is the thing which we can not see properly, or we cannot read that properly, that is eligible. We cannot, your handwriting is eligible, right, eligible, I, when the spelling is getting started with I, but here it is E, the spelling is starting with E, so it means you are able to get that, you have the qualifications which are required for that, so that is called eligibility. Okay, so that's the difference. Please don't do the mistake here, because that if you are using here the spelling of I, so that is the things which we cannot read properly, right? So eligible. So this is what, write the name of the institution, past record of the institution, courses offered and duration, eligibility criteria, facilities provided in the fee structure, information of the scholarship available, the last day to apply, etc., and the contact number and address. So these are the necessary things with the heading, and you must enclose the advertisement, as I told you in the introduction video. You must enclose the advertisement in a box, right? And even all the small writing task, right, which are of 3 to 4 marks, the 3 marks actually I would say here, that invitation is there, right, and this advertisement is there, so that here you have to, notice writing is there, so here you have to use a box, whatever your writings are of 3 marks, that you have to include, that you have to inbox in a particular box, right? Don't forget that please. And now here on your screen you can see the sample. So this educational, this is for advertisement, and this is the heading here, educational, right? And what this says, MRIU. So you should know what is this MRIU. This is Manav Rachna International University. Okay, M stand for Manav, R stand for Rachna, I for international, and U for university, right? Delhi is offering admission in various undergraduate courses like BTech, BSc, LLB, etc. And you must notice the formation of the sentence is also how, with the commas, everything is written here. Okay, the descriptions always you have to write down in commas. Eligibility, class 12th passed, course fee rupees 2500 payable quarterly, excellent faculty, research labs, hostel available, last date to submit application form is 17 July, contact assistant secretary MRIU or phone number is given here. So, what is this MRIU? Once again, it is Manav Rachna International University. Okay. So, like this you have to write down the educational advertisement, and you can see in the newspaper also in the same format. Okay. Next, see one more advertisement is there, and we will do in this video, that is the advertisement for missing person. Advertisement for missing person. So, here what are the, this is the format, you can see the what you have to give, the necessary details, physical descriptions like height, complexion, etc., name, age and any health related issue, any identifying feature like clothes, accessories, etc., place where the person was last seen, mention details of the reward if there is any, and address and the phone number. Okay. So, this is what you write, you see always actually this type of advertisement, okay, on the walls at the public places also. Sometimes we notice that gumshuda ki talash, something like that. So, this is the advertisement for missing person, you have to write down. So, let us see how to do. This is the sample for missing person. Missing since 24th February, Sahil, a young boy, this is actually G, okay. So, by mistake it is typed D, it is young. So, please do it G, young boy of 15 years old, of height 145 centimeters, fair complexion, brown eyes, medium haircut. He is wearing a blue shirt and a black pants. If any information about his whereabouts means uske kahan hai wo, so kindly contact the phone number or Nayan WZ Moti Nagar, New Delhi. So, this is the address and this is the phone number. So, please do not forget that this contact address and contact phone number. One thing is very necessary out of these two. If you want to give both of the things, that is okay. Whatever is there available in the question, if it is not there, so please use any phone number or any address you want to do. But if it is there in the question, if it is mentioned, so you have to use that only, the address. Okay. So, this is here you have seen the sample for missing person. So, I hope you understood this. Let's see what is the next one. Next is also very important. This is for lost and found. Okay. So, earlier we have seen here this is for missing person, but this is for lost and found. Suppose your something, some your valuable thing you have lost somewhere or found somewhere. So, how to do that? Okay. So, this is what I lost my XYZ brown color briefcase. Written near the handle, means this alphabet A is written near the handle. While travelling by DTC bus route number 167 from Narendra Nagar to Connaught Palace, there are some variable documents of mine like my senior secondary pass certificates. Finder will be rewarded. If found, kindly contact at phone number. This phone number is also given here. So, this is what, when you have to give the advertisement, if you have lost something. Okay. So, you have to give the description like this, that I lost my XYZ or any color. It may be, here you may type the brand, here you may write down the name of the brand also. Okay. And whatever the identification mark is there, so that you have to give, and where you missed that, where you lost that, that also you have to give. So, these are the necessary information like this. Now, I hope this is enough for today, and in our next video we will do tours and travels. Okay. So, where we will learn about how to write down the the information how to write down the advertisement for tours and travels. So please note down the format for this: lost and found, missing person, and before that also we have done one, that is the educational type of advertisements. So note it down. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy.